Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important: managing anxiety. If you ever feel overwhelmed or stressed, stick around because I've got some awesome tips that can help you feel better. Let's get started. Anxiety is something we all deal with at some point, and it's totally normal. But the good news is, there are ways to manage it. So today, I'm sharing my top tips and tricks to help you keep your anxiety in check. And remember, if things ever feel too tough, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Journaling. One of my favorite ways to handle anxiety is journaling. It's like a brain dump for all your worries. Plus, you can get creative with it, add stickers, doodles, whatever makes you happy. Writing things down helps you see things more clearly and can be really therapeutic. Deep breathing. Deep breathing is a game changer. Try the 4-7-8 method. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold it for 7 seconds, and then breathe out slowly for 8 seconds. It might feel weird at first, but trust me, it works wonders. Get moving. Exercise is amazing for your mental health. It doesn't have to be intense. Even a fun dance workout or a gentle yoga session can boost your mood. Find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Create your Zen space. Your environment can really impact how you feel. Set up a little Zen corner with things that make you feel calm, like soft lighting, your favorite scents, and cozy blankets. This can be your go-to spot when you need to unwind. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are awesome for staying grounded. There are tons of great apps and online resources to guide you through it. Even just a few minutes a day can help you feel more centered and less anxious. Don't be afraid to seek help. If your anxiety ever feels like too much to handle on your own, it's okay to seek professional help. Therapists and counselors can provide you with the tools you need to manage your anxiety effectively. Remember, managing anxiety is all about finding what works best for you. Be patient with yourself and take it one step at a time. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.